Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue of high RAM usage in Windows 10 guys. So basically if you open up your task manager, look, let me show you. Come right click on your start button right here and then click on task manager and this will open up guys. So, or you can just, press Control, Alt plus Delete keys together and that will open up the task manager. You just select task manager, Control, Alt, Delete and select on task manager. Now at the processes tab guys right here, okay, you can check the usage state of the CPU, memory, and disk. Okay, so how do you know if you have a high RAM issue, high memory usage issue? So basically, if you see that your memory column, okay, your memory column displays 70%, 80%, 99, 90%, or even 99%, okay, it's basically a high memory usage issue. You have a high memory usage issue when I am not recording right now. For example, right now I'm recording, it's over 80%. When I'm not recording, it's around 70%, and the CPU would not be as high. But for now, this is the case. So if I want to reduce this memory usage, what you can do, let me show you some details here. Look, you see 79% memory being used. I only have 800 MBs available and I'm supposed to be having 4 GB. Alright, so how do you actually solve this issue, guys? As you can see, I have already committed 8 GB RAM extra. Now, I want to explain something to you. Before actually this thing used to be like 99%, but now it's hovering over 70 something, it's like 70% or so. So how do you actually solve this issue? I'm going to show you just how you can do that. What we're going to be doing, guys, is creating a virtual memory for us. We're basically going to be increasing virtual memory. Virtual memory, basically, it makes use of, part of your disk space, part of your disk drive space, your hard disk drive or your solid state disk to serve as a memory so as to release computer memory stress. Therefore, when your computer is high with memory usage issue, you can try the following steps, guys, to increase virtual memory. So what you want to do is right click on this PC right here and then you want to go to properties. Okay, right here, right click on this PC and then click on properties right here. Click on this option right here, right click and then properties, okay? And then we're going to see this window. What you want to do, guys, is click on the advanced system settings. Now from here, guys, you see here, we're in the advanced tab. You want to click here. It says performance. You're going to click on settings. You see virtual memory? Okay, just click on settings. And then right here, guys, we're gonna navigate to the advanced tab and then click on change. As you can see, I have already allocated, right? I have allocated over basically 4 GB extra. As you can see here, it showed you. Let me show you. So my PC is 4 GB and I've committed around another 4 GB. So that's why it's saying there is 8 GB RAM that is committed. So what we can do is, guys, we can actually change this. So you can remove this from automatic, right? And then system managed automatic. We can change this to custom size. Okay, click on custom size. And then right here, guys, you can set up the initial MB and the maximum size. I am going to pick, I want around 8,000 MB. So 8 GB, so 8,400. I'm going to set it as 8,400. And then you just want to press on set. Press on set, and it's going to set your MBs, and then you just want to press on OK, guys. Press on OK, it's going to allocate more to my PC. And here we go, guys. So this will actually require you to restart your computer for the changes to take into effect. Just press apply here and then press OK. Remember, guys, you actually need to restart your PC, but I'm going to restart later because I'm actually recording the videos right now. So I'm going to restart later, and then you will see once you restart your PC, this memory usage will go down because you have now allocated your storage space to be used as RAM. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if the video helps, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you're still having issues. I'll try to help you out in the comments down below. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe so I